the journey of life, we often encounter moments where everything feels as if it's crumbling. These instances are not random. They're pivotal points designed to challenge and reshape us. Breaking down is not the end, but rather the beginning of transformation, a pathway to breaking through. Embracing this perspective changes the narrative from despair to hope and from confusion to clarity. By understanding the purpose of breaking down, we allow ourselves to see the beauty in growth and renewal. Growth rarely happens in comfort zones. To learn deeply, whether about life or any other subject, we must face situations that stretch our boundaries. Think of a seed. It must crack open to release the plant within. Similarly, breaking down can feel like the end, but it's a necessary step toward becoming something greater. Each challenge presents an opportunity to learn, adapt, and evolve, reshaping how we think and perceive the world. Imagine an AI algorithm designed to learn from errors. It doesn't become intelligent by succeeding initially, but by failing repeatedly and refining its approach. This mirrors our lives. When we face setbacks, these are moments where we're recalibrating, much like a learning algorithm. Our brains and hearts undergo a similar process, processing, reorganizing, and finding better ways to navigate challenges. Breaking down in this sense becomes an essential component of true learning. The emotional toll of breaking down can be immense. It's often accompanied by feelings of inadequacy, loss, or despair. Yet these emotions are not permanent. They serve a purpose to alert us that something within needs attention and change. Just as pain signals physical harm, emotional turmoil points to areas that need healing and growth. Acknowledging these emotions without judgment allows us to process them and move forward with renewed strength. Consider the metaphor of a forest fire. While destructive, it's also regenerative. The fire clears dead undergrowth, making way for new plants to flourish. Similarly, when life's fires burn through our plans and expectations, they clear the way for new opportunities and perspectives. Breaking down clears the clutter, allowing us to rebuild intentionally and purposefully. As we experience the breaking down phase, self-compassion becomes a vital tool. Being kind to ourselves during tough times allows us to heal more effectively. Judgment and self-criticism only deepen the wounds, while self-acceptance paves the way for resilience. It's important to remind ourselves that breaking down is a natural process, not a failure. In moments of crisis, it's crucial to pause and reflect. AI systems pause to process data and recalibrate. We should too. These pauses allow us to step back, evaluate the situation, and understand what lessons lie hidden within. Reflection transforms a painful experience into a valuable lesson, equipping us with wisdom for the future. Breaking down often forces us to confront truths we'd rather ignore. These truths can be uncomfortable, but they're essential for growth. Facing them head-on builds emotional and intellectual strength. This honesty, though painful, is liberating. It frees us from illusions and aligns us with reality, enabling us to move forward authentically. The concept of neural networks in AI offers a compelling parallel. These systems learn by adjusting their parameters in response to errors. Each adjustment brings them closer to optimal performance. Similarly, each of our struggles fine-tunes our perspectives and responses, guiding us toward greater understanding and capability. Breaking down can also deepen our empathy for others. When we've walked through difficult times, we're better equipped to support those who are struggling. Our shared humanity becomes more evident, fostering connection and compassion. These connections enrich our lives and make our personal breakthroughs even more meaningful. The role of resilience cannot be overstated in this process. Resilience isn't about avoiding difficulties, but about rising each time we fall. It's a skill we develop through repeated exposure to challenges. Like a muscle, resilience grows stronger with use, enabling us to face future obstacles with greater confidence and grace. Breaking through often involves redefining success. Traditional metrics may no longer apply. Instead, success becomes about alignment with our values, personal growth, and the pursuit of meaning. This redefinition liberates us from societal expectations and allows us to chart a course that truly resonates with our authentic selves. Our breakthroughs are rarely linear. Progress often comes in waves with periods of stagnation or regression. This is natural. Just as a river carves its path slowly, our journeys unfold in their own time. Trusting the process and remaining patient ensures that we stay the course, even when progress feels slow. The power of storytelling emerges prominently during these times. Sharing our experiences of breaking down and breaking through creates a ripple effect. Others see our vulnerability and resilience, drawing inspiration for their own journeys. Stories become bridges, connecting us and reminding us that we're not alone in our struggles. Breaking down also forces us to prioritize. When life feels overwhelming, we're compelled to focus on what truly matters. This clarity can be transformative, stripping away distractions and aligning us with our core values. In this way, breaking down becomes a clarifying force, helping us rediscover our purpose. It's important to recognize the role of community during these phases. Just as AI systems rely on data and collaborative networks, we thrive when supported by others. Leaning on trusted friends, mentors, or counselors provides the perspective and encouragement needed to navigate tough times. Breaking through often requires embracing vulnerability. It's in admitting our struggles that we find strength. Vulnerability fosters authenticity, which in turn deepens our relationships and enriches our lives. It's a paradoxical truth that by exposing our wounds, we allow healing to occur more fully. A key aspect of breaking through is the realization that we're always evolving. Who we were yesterday doesn't define who we are today or who we'll become tomorrow. This understanding brings hope, reminding us that our current struggles are just a chapter in a much larger story. Breaking down to break through is a universal human experience. It's a testament to our capacity for growth, resilience, and transformation. By embracing this process with courage and curiosity, we unlock our potential and discover the depths of our strength, wisdom, and humanity.